SP Tools Metric Toolkit in Tech Series Toolbox. Tech Series is SP Tools' premium mid-size storage system. It features our unique dog bone style steel construction with 25% thicker steel. This ensures the structural integrity of the box throughout its lifetime. The box is 730mm wide and 480mm in depth. It features a combination of 7 drawers in a narrow 170mm or a wide 570mm configuration. The lid of the tool chest has heavy-duty dual gas struts. The drawers are equipped with soft closing, full extension ball bearing slides. The slides are rated to carry 40 kilograms per pair. The side of the box is equipped with recessed easy grip handles, and extra storage is available in the sides for holding aerosol cans and similar. The corner of the tool chest features bump protection corner strips to help maintain the high quality dual layer UV resistant powder coat finish. The Tech Series roller cabinet is 745mm wide and 480mm in depth. It features a combination of 7 drawers with various drawer depths. The roller cabinet features a stainless steel worktop which incorporates twin fibre reinforced polymer tool holders at each end. The drawers are equipped with soft closing, full extension ball bearing slides. The slides are rated to carry 40 kilograms per pair, and on larger drawers where dual slides are used, this increases to 80 kilograms. The sides of the box is equipped with recept gripped handles. Extra storage is available in the sides for holding aerosol cans, a paper towel holder and a waste paper bin. The roller cabinet features 4 heavy-duty castors, 2 fixed and 2 swivel. The swivel castors have an easy one-touch brake hold and release. The corner of the tool chest features bump protection corner strips to help maintain the high-quality dual-layer UV-resistant powder coat finish. The tools. SP Tools 70-piece metric socket and accessory set in EVA foam. The kit includes quarter drive metric sockets 4 to 13mm, 3/8 drive metric sockets 6 to 22mm, half-inch drive metric sockets 10 to 32mm, 3/8 drive spark plug sockets 16 and 21mm, quarter, 3/8 and half-inch drive soft grip 45 tooth ratchets, quarter, 3/8 and half-inch drive soft grip breaker bars, quarter, 3/8 and half-inch drive universal joints, and a range of quarter, 3/8 and half-inch drive extension bars, and a range of socket drive adapters. In addition to the EVA set, the socket range also includes 10-piece quarter drive deep sockets on a rail, sizes 4 to 13mm, 10-piece 3/8 drive deep sockets on a rail, sizes 10 to 19mm, and 9-piece quarter and 3/8 drive metric in-hex bit sockets on a rail, 3 to 10mm. SP Tools 23-piece metric spanner set in EVA foam. The kit includes quad drive combination spanners 6 to 24mm and flare nut spanners 10 to 22mm. SP Tools combination spanners have 2 exclusive features that set them apart. The quad drive open end. This feature enables the open end of the wrench to grip on 4 sides of the fastener instead of the normal 2. The gripping point moves away from the corner of the fastener to the flat side due to the internal radius corners that are part of the internal design of the wrench. The dual flat drive ring end. This feature has 2 parts. First, the unique shape of the internal ring causes the fastening force to be applied to the flat side of the fasteners rather than the corners. The second is the flat top and bottom of the ring end. By not chamfering the internal ring of the wrench, we have extended the length of the contact to the fastener. This is extremely useful when dealing with damaged bolts or where bolts are recessed and access is limited. SP Tools 12-piece chrome alloy screwdriver set with induction hardened tips, 6 Phillip head screwdrivers from 38 to 150mm in length, 6 standard blade screwdrivers from 38 to 150mm in length. All screwdrivers feature SP Tools ergonomic dual texture soft grips. SP Tools 6-piece precision screwdriver set, 3 Phillips head screwdrivers and 3 standard blade screwdrivers. SP Tools chrome alloy plier and cutters with induction hardened cutting and grip points, 200mm diagonal cutters with dual texture grips, 200mm long nose pliers with dual texture grips, 200mm combination pliers with dual texture grips, a 250mm 3-rivet heavy duty locking plier that features chrome alloy steel jaws, a 250mm heavy duty multi-grip plier made from chrome alloy steel, and both 150 and 250mm adjustable wrench made from chrome alloy steel. 4-piece circlip plier set made from chrome alloy steel, 175mm straight and bent internal circlip pliers, 175mm straight and bent external circlip pliers. SP Tools S2 chrome alloy steel 9-piece hex and Torx key sets, 9-piece metric 1.5 to 10, 9-piece SAE 1/16 to 3/8, 9-piece Torx T10 to T50, 10-piece chrome moly punch and chisel set with pin punches sizes 2 to 10mm, 16 and 24 ounce ball peen hammers with genuine hickory handles from a certified FSC timber source, 40mm dual soft hardtip hammers with additional shot-filled head for dead blow function, 102-piece bit set including quarter drive, low profile, mini ratchet and a power bit adapter. The bits include metric and SAE hex bits, Torx, Torx Tamper and Torx Plus bits, Phillips posi drive slotted and square screwdriver bits, spline bits and spanner bits. The kit also includes an 8m retractable tape measure, a handy SP Tools all-purpose utility knife, a 4-piece mini hook and pick set, a 4-piece pry bar set and a 300mm professional quality hacksaw.